Okay, see here in question number exercise 6D, question number 31, that is given find the square root of the following trinomials. Okay, so I'm writing here question also. All of you see here. Find the square root. Find the square root of the following trinomial. Square root of the following trinomial. So your first question 31, that means today's first question, that is 64 minus 16y plus y square. This is your question. So let's see how we'll solve the question. Very simple question actually, but first time you are doing, that's why just try to understand the concept, very easy concept. Think 64 is the number, that is which number square? Think 8, write down. Again y square, which number square? Y only, is also write down. Afterwards, minus 16y we will break like this, which form? 2ab form. So write down 2 into a is equals to 8, b is equals to y. So this is which formula? Yesterday also told you na, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a minus b ka whole square. A minus b का whole square. Now we have to find out the square root of this whole term. देखो actually इसका मतलब यही है, same thing. Now we have to find out what is the square root of the number. So we can say the square root, this is the sign of square root. Okay, this is the sign of square root. So square root of the number 8 minus y square is equals to 8 minus y only. That is the correct answer. अब आप लोगों का आंसर क्वेश्चन ये हो सकता है, sir how it is came? Because remember this square and this square root always cancel out. ये होता है आपका, if I write down suppose what is the square root of 4? What is the square root of 4? So you can say sir 2, but 2 कैसे आया, you know? Don't know. So you have to first of all write down square root 4 means we can say 2 square. 4 क्या होता है? 2 square. That's why square and square root that should be cancelled out, and the whatever your remaining answer will be there, just write down here. Okay, so similarly we can say first of all this one convert into square form, this one convert into square form. After that we will find out what is the square root of this number. So we can say the answer will be 8 minus y. Understood all of you? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Very simple question. Actually we will solve like 2-3 questions more, so this concept also fully clear. Okay, so let's see next question. Question number 32. Okay, so in 32, 144 plus 24x plus x square. Yes, students? Okay, now try to understand again. Same concept will be there. So we can say, first of all, write down 144. 144 means 12 square. 144 means 12 square. And x square, that means we can say x ka square. Okay, 12 square plus x square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. Now students, 12 square plus 2 into 12 into x plus x square, we can say 12 plus x ka whole square. Yes or no? Can we write? Because a square plus 2ab plus b square, which number square? A plus b ka whole square. A plus b ka whole square. So we can write down this one. When we will find out the square root, when we will find out the square root of this number, then this square and this square root that should be cancel out. In your mind only cancel out. इसको show करने का need नहीं है. So we can say the answer will be 12 plus x only. That is the correct answer. Okay, understood all of you? Yes, students? Give a response fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now next question. Let's see what is the next question. Question number 33. So in question number 33, 49y square minus 56y plus 16. Now all of you solve and tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Very easy question. All of you solve and tell me fast what is the correct answer of this question. Okay? All of you see here properly. 49y square, that means we can write down 7y ka whole square. Okay? 49y square means 7y ka whole square. And come at last, 16 means 4 ka whole square. Okay? Now this is 56, we will break like this, 2 into a into b. A square minus 2ab plus b square, and we will write down this is which formula? A minus b whole square. Write down a minus b whole square. Done. ये complete answer नहीं है, ये आपका a minus b का whole square है. Now we will find out the square root. So what is the square root? The square root of this 7y minus 4 whole square is equals to this square root cancel out. The answer will be 7y minus 4. Yes? Understood all of you? Very simple. Now we'll move next question. Yes, let's see. Question number 33. Yes. Okay, let's see next question. Just wait one time. Just wait. A square upon b square plus 2 b square upon a square. This is your question. Okay. Let's see how we will solve the question. Very easy question really. दिखने में लग रहा होगा obviously hard, but it is very easy. So a square upon b square we can write down a upon b ka whole square. A square upon b square we can write down a upon b ka whole square. And b square upon a square we can write down b upon a ka whole square. Yes or no? We know a, we know b in the form of rational number obviously. After that this one we will break how? Like this, 2 into a, this means total a upon b, and into b, b means b upon a. One time you have to solve this one, side में कर लो, solve कर लो. 2 into a upon b and b upon a. See, a cancel out, b cancel out. देखो हमारे पास ये आंसर आ रहा है 2, है ना? So we can write down like this way. Now this is a formula, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Which formula? A plus b का whole square. So a upon b plus b upon a का whole square. Okay, now find out what is the square root of this. A upon b plus b upon a whole square is equals to a upon b plus b upon a. All of you match your answer. Check your answer. Okay, this answer will come. Understood? Easy question? Yes or no? Very easy question. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, question number 35 also done. Question number 35 also done. That means complete question. Exercise 6D completed. Some MCQ questions are there. ठीक है, इस MCQ question को solve करते हैं एक बार. Okay, let's see. Actually, tomorrow your weekly test is there, so you have to practice obviously till exercise 6D only. Whatever questions are there, you have to practice properly. Okay, so let's see here exercise 6D. Okay, one question I will do. Just try to solve this question, 36 question. MCQ. All of you write down x minus y a square. Sorry, x minus y ka square a square plus 2 into x minus y x plus y ab.
Somebody has joined my name.
X plus y. Why speaking? Not speak anyone. Mute your voice.
Sir, actually, someone has joined with my name.
Yes, what happened?
Sir, somebody has joined with my name and again joining and leaving.
Okay, just now you have to mute your voice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have to solve this question. Think all of you. How we will solve the question? Very simple, really very simple. How we will solve the question? Think. Actually, again we'll think this number, which number square? Anyone know this number, which number square? Yes, think. X minus y ka whole square and a square. So obviously we can write down x minus y a का whole square. Yes or no? अभी तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसका भी स्क्वायर है, इसका भी स्क्वायर है. So we'll consider this is A. This total term is equals to A consider. Okay. Now coming this last term. X plus y into B का whole square. This is B. Then we know A, we know B. Now this middle term एक बार चेक कर लेते ना. 2 into A क्या है हमारे पास? X minus y into A. Yes, this is correct. Write down X minus y into A. What is the value of B? See here. X plus y into B. इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने merge कर दिया. See here how? X minus y, yes, X minus y. X plus y, this is also having A, yes, B, yes. That means, now tell me students, this is which formula? Same formula, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So write down here, A plus B whole square. Yes or no? A plus B whole square. And you have to write down how many times? 2 times. But एक बार option देख लेते एक बार, है ना? Because according to the option we will go. That's why you have to just check 1 times options. Okay, no issue. First of all, you have to do like this. एक बार इस तरीके से कर लो, है ना? कैसे? This one write down 2 times. X minus y A plus X plus y B. Okay, again write down similar type. 2 बार इस चीज को लिख दो. X minus y A plus X plus y B. Done. अब आगे का कैसे करना है? You have to solve this one. How? Like this. A multiply X, AX minus AY. See here, A multiply X also, A multiply Y also. So if I multiply A multiply X, then here remaining AX and here AY plus this one multiply also BX plus BY. Then now students here, this is given AX minus AY plus BX plus BY. Okay, now one time come in your question. ओके यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट तरीके से आपका दे रखा है. ओके, सो दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट डाउन. एक्चुअली इसमें थोड़ा सा आपका अलग तरीके से दे रखा है. यू कैन राइट डाउन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. अगर आप अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन जाना चाह रहे हो सो वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट वे. आपको थोड़ा सा अलग वे में जाना पड़ेगा. हाउ? आई विल टेल यू. जस्ट चेक इट हियर. एक्चुअली दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट आंसर. दिस इज नॉट रॉन्ग आंसर, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आंसर वी विल गो इन डिफरेंट मैनर. सी हाउ? दैट ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू. Okay, see all of you one time. In this, after this step, we can say this multiply with this. So A into X, AX minus A into Y, AY plus B into X, BX and B into Y, BY whole square. Now all of you check it out from out of this 4 option. Any option is there? Yes or no? Check it out. AX minus AY plus BX plus BY. Yes, option number C is the correct answer. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. Understood all of you? Check it out all of you. आपका option में देखना, option number C is the correct answer. No doubt is there in this question? Okay, very good. Now we will move next question. Okay, another question is there. Question number 37. That question also we will do. Okay, question number 37. See here properly. See answer. Okay. See question number 37. Very much simple. Okay, actually the area of the square is given. Actually one square is given. Anna, the area of the square is given, that is 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Okay, so which expression represents the side of the square? In your question says what is the side of the squares? What is the side of the square? That you have to find out. Now tell me, if you remember the formula, the area of the square, then only you can easily find out, otherwise not 100%. Okay, so all of you take your time and give your answers. I think many of the students are doing. Obviously, आप लोग अगर कर रहे हो तो you have to solve yourself. Okay, देखना नहीं है आपको. And after that, if you're completed, then check your answers from here. Okay, so let's see. Actually, area that is given, and we know the formula of area of square is equals to side square. Side square. Side square is equals to how many? That is 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Now try to understand. We have to find out the side only. We have to find out the side only. So अगर हमें side find करना है, then this square converted into square root. This square converted into square root. And now only I told you how to find out the square root of the given numbers. Yes or no? How to find out the square root of the given numbers we know already. Now students, first of all, you have to make this trinomial as a form of square. कैसे? Let's see. 4x square we can say 2x का whole square. Yes or no? We can write down 4x square is equals to 2x square. And come here, 25 we can write down 5 का square. A square plus b square we know. Now this in between middle term, that we have to break in the form of 2ab. So write down plus 2 into a into b. Then no issue. Now students, root over a square plus 2ab plus b square, which number? 2x plus 5 ka whole square. Yes, 2x plus 5 ka whole square. And we know this square root cancel out. The answer will be 2x plus 5. So here write down the answer will be 2x plus 5. That is the correct answer. Okay? Yes, students? So from factorization, I hope till exercise 60, not a single questions have doubts. Yes? Yes or no?